Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roma and today we are going to do another Disney Princess look. Today we're going to do Jasmine and these are the colors that we're using. So we've got Candlelight for our eyeshadow, Golden Mauve and Emerald Noir, which are gorgeous, rich toned, really pretty. And of course on the cheeks we're using Desert Rose, which I thought was appropriate. But this is going to be a great look. Super simple again for the application techniques. The first color, Candlelight, we're going to take our all over eyeshadow brush. And this is going to go on the upper part of our lid. So we'll get some color on there. And it's just going to go above the groove in your eye in this area. Sweep it across like an arc. Get into that inner corner of your eye. And the other side, same thing. Then we're going to take this Golden Mauve, super pretty, rich color, but subtle too. Like it's not like super loud or anything. And this is going to go on the lower lid part. So this is a really pretty look, even just like that. If you like a more subtle look, then you could even just stop here. But today we're going to punch it up a little bit with this Emerald Noir. This is a really pretty color. So I'm going to use this in the crease and then I'm just going to do a little bit on the outer corner. So I'm going to use our smudger brush because I do like this one for the crease placement. Just get some color on there. Now this looks really deep, but it's actually fairly light as far as pigmentation. So you can see it's a deep color, but it's not like a really loud green, right? So just do this in the crease. And I like to just, you don't even have to press hard. Just go over it a few times. I start in the outer corner because that's where you want most of the pigmentation to be, not in the inner corner. So I don't even go all the way in. Just place it on there. And then I'm going to take our crease brush, grab a little bit more. And I just want to do, what I like to do is just a sideways print in the outer corner of the eye. Just press it on. Not hard. Nice and light. Now we're going to use our new blending brush. This is awesome because it's nice and soft and fluffy. And we're just going to blend all that. So there's no sharp definition between the colors. Such a pretty look. It is quite deep. Some people might prefer this for the evening, but and it looks kind of scary when you don't have it balanced out with eyeliner or mascara. So we're going to use our liquid eyeliner today. I'm just going to do a line on the upper lash line. Now, one thing I'm doing lately, just for fun, is I'm just taking that from the corner and pulling it out. Not even going up or anything. The trick with this, it's really easy with this eyeliner for sure, with the liquid liner. But the trick is to make sure that each side is equal. And this side for me does have a few more creases in the eye, so it is a little bit trickier. So I'm just going to pull it out a little bit more, and there you have it. And again, they're sisters, they're not twins, right? So they don't have to be perfectly in line. But you can see that the depth of the liner really offsets the depth of the eyeshadow. Then we're going to use our Ultimate our Lash Intensity Mascara. And we're going to get loads of lashes happening. And with the makeup look, It's all about individuality. So if you're not a big lash girl, then use something a little bit subtler. Don't be afraid to use falsies, especially when we're wearing masks still. It's nice to punch up the eyes a bit. So there's our eyes for the Jasmine look, super pretty. And now we're going to use that Desert Rose cheek color. I'm going to use our cheek brush. I'm going to use that rounded part, get some color on there. And then this is actually really pretty, right? It's not pink, it's not orange. It's just a really, it's kind of, again, like the eyeshadow, it's just a depth of color. Just on the apples of your cheek, up along the cheekbone, into the hairline a little bit. And you guys have seen this several times with me, but one of my favorite colors is Exotic Mango, so we're going to use that today. I'm going to use our lip brush for application. I also really like this because it's our True Dimensions lipsticks. Push down on the button at the top, pull it out from the bottom, and it's a very, very moisturizing, buttery feel. So I'm just going to use our lip brush. Get that middle. And polish it off there. And there you have it, our makeup tutorial inspired by Disney Princess Jasmine. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope that you have a wonderful week ahead of you and that you enjoyed this look.